Yo, what's going on, KDM Station family? We're finally happy to announce that we are going to be doing our 500 subscriber giveaway. And with that, we will be going ahead and giving away the original Billet Works shift knob that we ordered through Austin. As many of you know from our last video, the original knob that we ordered is the etching of the turbo snell, little, and with this comes a adapter for any Veloster N manual or Elantra N manual transmission. So I'm not sure if this is going to work for any of you automatic guys or DCT guys, but you guys are more than welcome to go ahead and win this and do as you please with it. This is just to go and show our thanks to the community and saying thank you for you guys being so awesome and giving us love and just being awesome. Yeah. In order to go ahead and participate in this, what I ask of you is to go ahead and drop a comment down below and just let me know what color Elantra N or Veloster N, Kona N, whatever kind of car you guys have, and let me know what kind of transmission you guys have, whether if you chose DCT or manual, and just give me one cool thing that you guys really like about your car. For us, I gotta say, one of the most funnest things for me is honestly the exhaust. It's just been it's such a nice sounding exhaust. I come from a car that's tuned, and I have the pops and bangs built into the tune on my car, and it just does not sound anywhere as good as any of the N cars. So kudos to you guys. You guys have a pretty badass sounding car. Don't forget to go ahead and comment down below. We're gonna go ahead and close the commenting down on April 17th. Maybe around midnight, somewhere around there, and we're gonna announce a winner. And we're gonna announce a winner on April 18th. So we look forward to go ahead and announcing that for you guys. And once again, we just thank you everybody that has gone ahead and just shown us support on here. We absolutely love the KDM community. You guys are awesome. I really look forward to seeing what we go ahead and do with this platform and just growing with you guys on this channel. So thank you guys for everything that you guys have done with the support that you guys have shown us.